What if I told you that wealth isn't a mystery? It's a formula. And if you follow it step by step, it will work for you, no matter your background, your age, or your current bank balance. Imagine for a moment that the world's most successful people, those whose names echo in the halls of fortune, all shared a secret. Not a secret locked away in a vault, but a set of principles, laws, that anyone could follow. Today, I'm going to share with you the 6 laws of wealth. These aren't lottery tickets or get-rich-quick schemes. They are time-tested rules followed by generations that build lasting wealth, the kind that grows steadily, protects you in hard times, and provides for your family long after you're gone. Let's begin at the foundation, the first law of wealth. It's simple but almost magical in its power. Keep a part of all you earn. Most people spend their lives working for money, grinding day after day, only to watch every dollar disappear by the end of the month. Bills, expenses, temptations, all working together to leave your pockets empty. But the wealthy, they do something different. Before they pay any bills, before they go shopping or eat out, they pay themselves first. This means saving at least 10% of every dollar or peso you earn. Not just when it's easy, not just when there's extra, but every single time. It doesn't matter if you earn a little or a lot. What matters is the habit. Over time, this simple act creates a cushion, a foundation, and eventually a fortune. Remember, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. But saving on its own isn't enough. That brings us to the second law of wealth. Make your money work for you. Think of every dollar you save as a little employee, one that can work day and night, never needing rest. Don't let your savings sit idle, losing value to inflation. Instead, invest it wisely. Put your money into assets that grow, like planting seeds that become mighty trees, each bearing fruit year after year. Maybe it's a small business, a piece of real estate, or a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. The form doesn't matter as much as the principle. Your money should be working for you, generating cash flow and building your wealth even while you sleep. This is the secret of the wealthy. They don't just earn from their labor. They earn from the power of their investments. Now, as your money grows, you'll encounter a common trap, a pitfall that has swallowed countless people on their path to financial freedom. The third law of wealth is clear. Avoid debt. Debt is a chain, a burden that keeps you working for the bank instead of for yourself. Most people fall into the trap of borrowing to buy things that lose value, like cars, gadgets, or vacations. But here's the truth. The poor pay interest, while the rich earn interest. If you must borrow, let it be for something that puts money back into your pocket, like a business investment or a rental property. Otherwise, let debt be your enemy. Live within your means and break free from the cycle that keeps so many people trapped. As you move forward, you'll hear promises from all directions, offers of quick riches, shortcuts, and secrets to overnight success. But the fourth law of wealth warns against this temptation. Think long-term. Don't speculate in get-rich-quick schemes. Scammers and hype artists promise fast returns, but wealth built quickly is often lost just as fast. Real wealth comes from patience, discipline, and time. Invest in solid businesses or assets, the kind that have stood the test of time. Think in decades, not days. Let your wealth grow slowly, steadily, like a tree whose roots burrow deep and branches reach for the sky. Remember, the tortoise, not the hare, wins the race. Now let's talk about the most powerful investment you can ever make. The fifth law of wealth is my personal favorite. Invest in yourself. Your skills, your knowledge, your mindset, these are your greatest assets. The world is changing fast, and the people who thrive are those who keep learning, adapting, and growing. Learn a high-income skill that sets you apart. Read books, take courses, seek mentors. Every dollar you invest in yourself returns tenfold because you become more valuable to the marketplace. When you level up your skills, you command higher pay, spot better opportunities, and make smarter decisions with your money. The return on self-investment is infinite. As your wealth grows, so does your responsibility, and the sixth law of wealth is one that separates those who keep their fortunes from those who lose them. Protect your wealth. Life is unpredictable. One accident, lawsuit, or disaster can wipe out everything you've built, unless you plan ahead. Diversify your investments so that no single setback can destroy you. Protect your assets with insurance, and make sure your legal and financial affairs are in order. The goal isn't to live in fear, but to be prepared. True wealth isn't just about making money. It's about keeping it safe for you and the generations that follow. Wealth isn't luck. It's not reserved for the chosen few. It's the result of small, consistent actions, guided by unbreakable laws. So here's my challenge to you. Don't just listen and forget. Pick one law, just that one, and start today. Save your first 10% no matter how small. Invest in your skills, read a book, take an online class, practice a new ability. Pay off that debt that's been weighing on you. Each step is a brick in the foundation of your future wealth. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see your money working for you. Every journey begins with a single step, and every fortune starts with a single wise decision. Remember, money is a tool. Use it wisely, and it will build the life you've always dreamed of. Break the laws, and it will control you forever. The choice is yours.